What's up, guys? I'm about to show you guys another flashlight video. This is Freak's Ritual, and this is the Sofirn SC31. Comes in a typical Sofirn box. They're all like this, but for a recommendation, I think they should label each box as to what model it is. It'd be much better than some people save the boxes, and if we have all these Sofirn boxes, we won't be able to tell which light is what. Well, that's all I could do is recommend that. But this light, I'm going to show you SC31 manual. Comes with a happy not happy card. This is garbage. Micro USB, lanyard, and spare O-rings. This is a very simple light, but it's worth the money because it ain't expensive. It's only, I think, 650 lumens. Hold on, let me check the manual real quick. No, 610 lumens. It does seem brighter though. I think it's a XPG2E metal. Does it say it on that? No. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, where's English? Over here. Yeah. Alright, it does have a breathing mode on the switch. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Yeah, so it's 3 modes in strobe. Got 10 lumens for 179 hours and 33 minutes. Mediums 200 lumens for 9 hours. That's pretty damn good. High is 610 lumens for 2 hours 42 minutes, and you got a hidden strobe. Beam distance for high is 141 meters. Got your impact resistance to 1 meter and your water resistance to IPX8 or waterproof. It's not a diving light, but it's still waterproof to a certain extent. Alright. Maximum current is 1 amp. You can only use low mode while you're charging. I don't use these charging things, but I'm not a fan of them. But it's there if you need it. Some people use it. Maybe one day I will need it. Alright, that's nothing. So, alright. That's what that is. So, let me move this out of the way real quick. I'll show the light. This came in the back of the battery, so when it turn on accidentally, so that's good. So here's the light. I think the light is like 17 bucks. And just think, look at this. It's quality there. Nice spring. Even comes with a battery. Surprisingly, for that price, this is really good. This is like a walk the dog type light. Got your orange pure reflector. Oh, I forgot to see what kind of LED it is. Hold on one second, one more time. I think it's a XPL hot. No, not an XPO, it's a XPG3 emitter. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let me show you the head of it. I gotta put lube on this. So it's pretty good. Got your clip. It's just weird how this is. Haven't seen many lights with this. There's your charging port. You got an AL coating and orange pure reflector. There's your XPG3. Oh, what I noticed, if you want, you can switch the body around with the clip, and you can use this for a head cap. Still works. So here's the user interface. There's the low. Oh, you just hold down. That's it. You just hold it. That's it. Double click for your strobe. And click again to have it out. So that simple. Hold it. Click it once or tap it once, the switch, and it turns it off. Does taro stand. So for what, $17 you get the light, the battery, the charging port, all that is mad cheap. So basically if you buy, usually flashlight companies, they sell their batteries for like $10. So say if this battery is $10, you're basically getting this light for what, $7? It's not bad. The only thing is, could have went a little warmer, that's about it. But it doesn't bother me. Oh, alright. To get to breathing mode, just hold down the button. So say if all the lights are off, or you're camping and you need to find your light ASAP, you got that function. So that's cool. And then you click it once just to turn it off. Simple light, very simple. Alright guys, I'm going to take this bad boy outside, show you what it could do. I'll be right back. What's up guys? I'm back, about to show you some beam shot footage with the Sofirn SC31 little EDC light. It's still at 18650, but I think this is going to do well. Alright, hold on one second. Start off in low. There's only 3 modes. And a strobe. And bump it up. And put it on the highest mode. It's not bad. It's more like a camping light. It's not a tactical light, this is like a everyday backup light. It's very lightweight. Alright. Yeah. 3 modes. Let's walk around. Goes pretty far, I got some nice distance. I don't think it steps down either. Alright guys, about to head back. Hope you guys like my beam shot footage. I'm gonna put links in the description where you could purchase this. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.